Arbitrage trading part 2. We made part 1 where we were trading crypto arbitrage trading with trading bots, and this one we are buying low on a centralized platform, which is Binance, and we sell high on a decentralized platform, which is Ranquilly, but we will be receiving in our internal wallet, that is Ranquilly. So I told you free classes, you can click the link in my bio, and also crypto arbitrage trading you can receive in your internal wallet or you can receive in external wallet. What does that mean? You can buy low on Binance, sell high on Ranquilly, but you receive in your Ranquilly, then you withdraw. That is receiving in your internal wallet. External wallet means you buy low on Binance, you sell high on Ranquilly, and your profits will be sent direct to your Binance account, so no need to withdraw. So we are selling, and all you need is your Ranquilly, a capital of, let's say, 200 USDTs. Then you find a buyer like this one, so you are selling on Ranquilly, and we'll be selling, let's say, 1,000 USDTs. So 1,000 USDTs means we'll be getting around 1,336 after P2P fee of 23 USDT. So I'll amplify this. So let me paste my Ranquilly deposit address, which means I'm trading USDT. So tomorrow I'll try and do one for BTC and also see how it will go, because it is more profitable. Remember, you don't have to trade only USDTs. You can trade other cryptocurrencies. So I'll review and show you how this works. So this is the trade ID, this is the type, sell, and this is the merchant, this is the exchange, also this is the capital, this is the rate, this is the P2P fee, and the profit that we'll be expecting is 136 USDTs, but our profit will be sent direct to our Ranquilly account. And also in this arbitrage trading, we have something called escrow protection. So escrow protection means our profits are safe, and there is no way our funds can be lost, because we have to confirm that everything is all right for us to release. And if you release, the merchant will have to pay you. So there is no way that you can lose money in crypto arbitrage trading. So we've made one arbitrage trade for trading bots, and also we made one for manual trading where we are receiving in our internal wallet. So if you missed any of this video, make sure you go and watch. So I'll be pinning new videos so that everyone can watch. So that's how we make profits with crypto arbitrage trading. This was easy, 136 USDTs. So if you can manage a capital of 200 and above, make sure you join crypto arbitrage trading.